Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. So one of the things that I wanted to update you guys on is, today's my first day here back in Barcelona. I closed out all my positions, a total of 15 orders. My last one was actually during the pre-market session. So the market actually, if I'm not mistaken, just opened. Again, I'm a little bit messed up just due to the time change, but yeah, market just opened about 11 minutes ago. I'm already all done trading for the day. Again, I aim for $500 profit every single day. Today was just much easier, and I'm going to explain to you guys exactly why. Cleared a little bit over $1,500. Going back to the main charts, one of the things that you guys can see here is during the pre-market session here, at least, is when we actually began to see natural gas aggressively sell off. Once it broke below the middle VWAP, there's a lot of downside potential. Ended up actually selling off more than I anticipated. So I locked in profits a little bit early on DGAS. It did some consolidation here. So not only did I benefit from the sell-off on natural gas, but then when natural gas itself became so oversold, I then took a position on UGAS, which then I was able to make a couple $100s off of. So again, a big part that played a role in my success today was not every day plays out like this. Not every day needs to play out like this. Of course, it would be great if it does. But yesterday is a perfect example. Yesterday, I ended the day a little bit over $300 of a loss. And it was my first red day in quite a while. And again, some days do come easier than others, but it's when that opportunity presents itself that it's, your job as a day trader to take action. And when, you're kind of forcing, and that's kind of what I wanted to talk about, is yesterday I was just forcing trades. I just wasn't working well with the market, and I just continued to struggle. Today was just so simple. The direction was so clear on natural gas. Obviously, it was selling off. DGAS then pushing up, so I knew what to pay attention to. As it became a little bit more on the oversold side, then I switched directions, and then I took a position on DGAS. This became overbought. Again, it was trading between the middle and bottom view up, and now it's selling right back off again. So again, now natural gas is a little bit more on the oversold side. So then the idea comes about, do I take a position on UGAS? So this is, again, kind of back and forth what I've been messing around with. So again, I just landed here in Barcelona, Spain a couple hours ago. I actually want to show you guys around the room, but first I just wanted to show you guys my overall P&L on the day, which is $1,500 profit, my first day back in Spain. But let me actually show you guys what we got going on here. So the room isn't very big, but it's actually in a pretty nice hotel. So again, nothing special here, much smaller than our room in Greece, but my little girlfriend there. But yeah, just got here. We're right off the main plaza here in Spain. Very excited. The food was a little bit different, to say the least, than Greece. Very unique and great, but I think, at least for my taste, I prefer Spanish or Italian food and stuff like that. So I'm really happy that we're back in Spain. We're going to be spending the next 3 days here. We got invited to a little festival, so we're going to be doing that for the last 3 days, and then we fly back to LAX. And it's been a really nice kind of like getaway for at least me and my girlfriend. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. One of the last things that I just wanted to share with you guys is today is a perfect example of, not needing to trade every single day. I know it's much easier said than done, especially if you're just getting started and you're super excited about what it is that you're learning and what it is that you want to, test and do. But the idea of a day trader is to challenge yourself, to seek opportunity, and to only trade opportunity. I have at least found it within myself that I see so much more success when I wait for an opportunity to present itself instead of just opening or taking a position as soon as the market opens. Just think about it. Refer back to maybe any of the red days that you've had, or any avoidable bad or poor positions that you've taken. Of course, it's much easier said than done, but I think as we kind of like refer back to those unfortunate trades, you will be able to see that if only you gave it more time, or if only you didn't approach it in such an aggressive way, you might have not even taken that initial position size. So again, I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below any of your thoughts. I hope that you guys end it on a green note. And today is Thursday, so I did totally forget, but it is the natural gas report, so make sure that you guys watch out for that. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.